Hello there everyone. I'll just make a short video about some cool stuff that really is the right season. First of all, this is long overdue. Finally we have gotten the whiting spay for the pedigrees and other shrimp patterns back in stock. This product is almost as rare as a unicorn, so get some while stock lasts. Another thing I want to share with you is this awesome fishing for sea trout with foam flies, and I use these foam cutters to make my foam flies look identical every single time. You can get a kit like this with the 3 different sizes, or you can buy the sizes individually. But now is the time to do this fishing, because the water is low and the fish will more easily rise to these foam flies. So if you haven't tried that fishing, then go out to your local stream and try it, especially if you're fishing places where there are sea trout. This is some spectacular and amazing fishing, and if you haven't tried it or haven't seen the full video I've done about it, then swing by the YouTube and find it. It's called Big Sea Trout on Dry Flies. It really is cool. Another thing I want to show you is, of course, these are the Nautilus reels, and I must say it's truly an honor and a privilege to become a Nautilus dealer. These reels are just insanely cool, and of course you can get them in all the different custom colors that you like, but the one I want to really show you and promote is this one. This is the Nautilus X reel. This is tremendous amount of reel at a very nice price. It's lightweight, it's very durable, it's made of the best materials, it's produced in USA, and I simply just adore these reels. Relatively light on price as well for a high-end product like this. So if you haven't checked out the Nautilus reel yet, you should do, because these are awesome. Another thing when you're fishing the stream is this. These are the best landing nets you can get your hands on. This is the one I use for my sea trout fishing. It's a size medium, with a weight included with the short handle. It's very lightweight and really gets the job done. And you can have a 5 kilo fish inside here. So great value for money, and just a landing that just continues to perform throughout year after year. Another thing that is very cool is the Simms waterproof packs. I have both this one, which is the hip pack, and it's durable, it's strong, it has all the features that you need, and it keeps your camera and stuff like that nice and dry. The carrying system here is very durable, and the belt is very broad, so it also helps support your back. A truly awesome product from Simms. But if this is too small for you, then the other option is this. This is my own very trusted good friend. I'm very fond of you. You know, you saved my camera tons of times. This is the Simms Dry Creek backpack, a truly outstanding, outperforming product that I'm very pleased with. So when I go light, I go like this. When I need more camera equipment and stuff like that, and maybe some extra lines and an extra reel or something like that, I go with this, my trusted Dry Creek day pack. So, well, that was just a few things I wanted to share with you, and hopefully inspire you to look at some cool new products. And well, otherwise, subscribe to the channel and swing by my web shop. It's called flytying.eu for all the stuff here. Otherwise, have a great summer and good luck fishing.